I was recently given the incredible opportunity by Ski.com to travel the world and document what it's like to experience some of the top ski resorts available on the Epic Pass. With the job consisting of intense travel, extreme conditions, and an adventurous itinerary, I knew there was only one option when it came to drones: the DJI Mavic 2. In the span of 2 months, I traveled to 3 continents, 7 countries, and 18 ski resorts. So I knew I needed something that was small enough to not get in the way, but powerful enough to keep production quality at a maximum, and the Mavic 2 did just that. From Europe to Japan to North America, this was the perfect tool to travel the world with. I was able to pack it in and out when size mattered, all while capturing stunning imagery along the way.